Hey, Mike Guyver here again. Just making another quick video. I was going through my phone, found some older footage. Decided to throw a quick one together. It's just me tearing around the Everest and the Mean Chevy. The Mean Chevy is the heavily modified new bright Mega Blast. The original body's buried under there. I'm just in the process of working some things. Got parts coming in for the truggy on Thursday, getting motor ESC combo, getting some new rear arms because they're all kind of ganked together with some hot glue and metal twine and stuff that holds up, and needs a new front gearbox. She's a little cracked up. I did repair it, but they're just, the epoxy's kind of crap and doesn't hold the greatest on it, so working on that. The tire, she's all up and ready to run, and we'll have some new tires in for that in a couple weeks. You know, just a bunch of stuff. We'll start working on my fire truck up there. That's another project. That's going to be a drifting fire truck. A couple little things here and there. So anyways, yeah, just I guess if you like the video, like it. If you don't, thumbs down, you know, subscribe, you know, share it, hit the bell icon, new videos and stuff. Anyways, have a good one. Enjoy the video. Got my buddy Dylan recording some of this, so fucking out with Dylan, ripping the trucks, ripping the Everest. Get donut going, bud. Drifter. Yeah. Woo! He's doing reverse donuts. Got that running on a 9-cell nickel metal hydrate. Got a 35 turn, 23 tooth motor, or 23 tooth pinion. Careful. Everest Red Cat racing Everest 10. Yeah, 4-wheel steering hooked up on her. Nice little rip. Got the custom Chevy over here. The Mean Chevy. 1/8 scale, was a toy. She's 4 motors. Doesn't go super fast, but she goes fast enough. Out ripping out on the river in Belleville. Well, not really Belleville. What's that? Lost power? Hold on, I'm coming. It's steering still, right? It is still recording, but I was going to flip it off and then back on again. Oh, you know what? Lost my gear. Where did it lose power at? Right here. Do you have that little screwdriver still that I borrowed that last time? Yeah, probably. Yeah, okay. I'll just have to put the gear back on, that's all. Because you can hear the motor going, but... Well, you can go right around it. Oh yeah, I can't get on shit. Lots of battery left in that. Uh-oh. You got her high-sided, bud, on that axle. Here, I'll hand God her for you. That's alright, she's tough. If she breaks, I fix it, whatever. That one's hand-built. And not by Kit. Oh, you high-sided her again. I need to get some skid plates on it so that it doesn't do that as badly. Yeah! Just turn, yeah, and back up. Oh, go forwards really quick and turn right. Just go right off the boat. The Mean Chevy. Back it up, or go forward. There you go, yeah! I'll call that a backflip. Alright, so there's the video. There's just some stuff. I think I might have a little more footage here and there, but I think it's about all the backlog of stuff that I had on my phone from tearing around this winter, just getting back into things again with the RC. This channel's not just going to be all RC stuff. It's going to be other things as well. I'm going to be, repairing stuff. I do soldering, electronics repair. Got one project on the go right here. It's hardcore, tiny itty bitty little stuff to solder. Can't even get the focus on it, but a tiny little blob right there, kind of in the middle. There's a little tiny buck converter I got to replace on that, and a bunch of little things. Fix the boat up again, so got wire and spiders for light kits and lights everywhere and stuff. So yeah, anyways, so yeah, some upcoming videos, some electronics building. Well, I suppose that'll be a couple weeks away for parts to come in. So anyways, have a good one. Enjoy the video. Thumbs up if you like it, thumbs down if you didn't, subscribe, bell icon, all that good stuff. You know what to do. All right, peace.